Potato gardening secrets. Over 100 potato varieties exist, categorized by season and culinary use. Russets and long whites are ideal for planting potatoes 101, like frying and baking. Round whites are perfect for chips and boiling. Red skins are great for salads, mashing, or roasting. Easy potato growing methods. Start with choosing varieties based on your climate. Early season potatoes, which take about 50 to 80 days, include Irish cobbler with its tan skin and excellent mash texture Norland, which is scab resistant and has red skin, and Mountain Rose, known for being virus resistant with pink flesh. So, for mid-season potatoes, which usually mature in about 80 to 100 days, you've got some great options. First up is red Pontiac. It's an easy-to-grow red potato, which is perfect if you're just starting out or want something reliable. Then there's Yukon Gold, with its thin skin and buttery yellow flesh. Honestly, it's a favorite for a reason. Moving on to late-season varieties, which take about 100 to 120 days, sometimes even a bit longer. Katahdin and Kennebec are standouts here, mainly because they're both virus and blight resistant, making them a solid choice if you want fewer headaches. There's also Elba, which is known for its large tubers and strong resistance to scab. That's definitely handy if you've had trouble with disease in the past. Now, if you're interested in trying something a little different, there are some unusual varieties worth mentioning. French fingerling, for example, doesn't even need to be peeled. Just roast or steam it, and you're good to go. And then there's All Blue, with its vibrant blue flesh. It's fantastic mashed or steamed, and honestly, it just looks really cool on the plate. Okay, so the best soil for potatoes is loose and well drained, with a pH between 5.0 and 6.5. You'll also want to add compost for nutrients. For DIY potato tower gardening, you can stack tires or use wire frames filled with soil and straw, which lets your potatoes grow vertically. When it comes to potato pest control strategies, you can use neem oil for beetles, and planting marigolds helps deter nematodes. So, when it comes to growing potatoes, there are a couple of mistakes you really want to avoid. First off, don't plant in cold, wet soil because, well, that just leads to rot. And always use certified seed potatoes. Don't try using those grocery store spuds. Alright, next up is prepping your tubers. You'll want to cut them into pieces about 2 inches big, each with 1 or 2 eyes. Then, just let them callus overnight before planting. That little step makes a big difference. You can actually grow potatoes in containers. Just grab a 10-gallon pot with good drainage. Start by layering in some soil and your seed potatoes. And then, as the plants grow, keep hilling up more soil around them. For those tasty new potatoes, just dig gently near the plants when they start flowering, which is usually around 50 days in. If you're after mature potatoes, wait until the foliage dies back. That usually takes about 2 to 4 months. For storage, cure your potatoes in a dark, dry spot for about 1 to 2 weeks. It's important to avoid piercing the tubers. Broken potatoes spoil pretty fast. And here's a pro tip. If frost is coming, you can leave the tubers in dry soil for a few weeks. They'll actually store better underground.